ladies, this small children will be riding with us today. As a reminder, all rosters have to be at least 34 inches of height to experience an attraction. If anybody in your party does not meet the height requirement, they're more than welcome.
Bicycle I've ridden probably like 5 years.
We've got some unauthorized people entering the base. Wait, they got ET. They're getting away. Unit 3, cut them off. Hey, this way. What? The orange light. I see them. Come on, let's go.
You have saved our planet! Come, celebrate with us!
Attention! Please remain seated, keeping your hands and feet inside the ride field. Attention! Please remain seated.